Welcome back. Today we're diving into a question that many aspiring entrepreneurs ask: do I need an LLC to start a business? And what are the advantages of forming an LLC? Before we jump into the video, let's introduce you to Northwest Registered Agent. It is a service provider offering registered agent services, business formation, and more. The company provides top-notch privacy protection and customer support from agents across the United States at an affordable rate. It's extremely easy to get started with LLC formation services at Northwest Registered Agent. You simply go to its website and elect for the company to complete the process for you. Then you'll select the type of business you want to form: LLC, corporation, or nonprofit. From there, you'll select your state and whether you would like to pay for a 7-day processing period or a 1-day period. After that, you'll only have to pay and submit basic documentation about you and your business. Then the company will take it from there to get your business registered. Now, let's continue the video. First things first, you do not need an LLC to start a business. If you're mowing lawns for money, selling crafts online, or running a small shop at the local farmer's market, you're already in business. As a sole proprietor, or if you have a partner, as a general partnership. These structures are popular because they're easy to form and maintain. But here's the catch: simplicity comes with a risk. Without an LLC or another formal business structure, your personal assets are at risk. If your business gets sued or goes bankrupt, you could lose your house, car, savings, and more. To protect your assets, that's where an LLC comes in. Now, let's talk about the advantages of an LLC. 1. Strong liability protection. An LLC separates your personal assets from your business liabilities. So, if your business faces legal issues or debts, your personal assets like your home or savings are generally protected. 2. Flexible structure. Whether you're a single-member LLC or have multiple members, you can choose to manage the business yourself or appoint managers. Unlike corporations, LLCs don't require a strict hierarchy or regular meetings. 3. Reduced paperwork. Forming and maintaining an LLC usually involves less paperwork compared to corporations. You file articles of organization with basic information, and in many states, the ongoing requirements are minimal. 4th, control over profit distribution. LLCs offer flexibility in how profits are shared among members. You can outline specific arrangements in your operating agreement, unlike partnerships or corporations that have stricter rules. Northwest Registered Agent should be your preferred registered agent. Having exceptional expertise in shaping the entrepreneurial dream for thousands of founders, we have gained strategic insights into what it takes to be a registered agent for businesses. Therefore, our superior registered agent services allow you to focus on your core businesses while we handle government correspondence on your behalf. Sign up today to see the difference a responsible registered agent can bring to your business. 5th, more tax options. By default, an LLC enjoys pass-through taxation, meaning profits are only taxed once as personal income. However, you can also elect to be taxed as an S corporation or C corporation if it benefits your tax strategy. 6. Additional advantages. Lastly, additional advantages include enhanced credibility and privacy. An LLC at the end of your business name gives it a professional edge, and hiring a registered agent can help protect your privacy by keeping your personal information off public records. Forming an LLC is easy. There are 2 options for forming your LLC. You can hire a professional LLC formation service to set up your LLC for a small fee, or you can choose your state from the list below to start an LLC yourself. Northwest Registered Agent can assist you in streamlining several crucial small business tasks. Northwest offers to walk you through the formation process for free. When you make a free account with Northwest, you'll be given online tools for LLC formation, maintenance walkthroughs, and company document creation. All you'll have to pay is your state's filing fee. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, Northwest will file your paperwork for as little as $39 plus your state filing fee. This option includes compliance filing, phone service, and lifetime support from local corporate guides. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on the state of incorporation. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. So, while you don't need an LLC to start a business, forming one provides significant benefits, especially when it comes to liability protection, flexibility, and potential tax savings. It's a decision worth considering as you plan your business journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business tips and insights. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.